Good morning, guys. Crazy stuff going on in the market. Oh, man. If you guys watched the Ethereum video, Ethereum is down 11% today. The metrics called this literally perfectly if you guys are over at tradeconfident.io looking at the Ethereum metrics. I'm not going to go over it again. Just watch that video. It is like, it's scary accurate. I'm going to show you the same thing that was called on Doge here, but in a different way where I think we are due for a move back up, but 16 cents is possibly where we're going to be heading on this move down. So let's quickly go over the metrics here. On the actual trading view side, let me get some water here because I'm so excited to talk to you guys, and then we'll get over to the metrics. So the price versus the well money flow here, we see that money was flowing out of the market here while price structure was going sideways. So when you start seeing consolidation moving sideways in price structure while the green money flow is moving in a downward direction to the bottom, this means there is not money flowing consistently into the market to keep the price up. It's basically saying, all right, consolidation to the side with money moving out is pretty much guaranteed for a drop. All right. The trend exhaustion, though, if you guys have this on your TradingView accounts, is showing us that we could be due for a very nice long trade coming up here, because historically, when we've gotten down to these very low levels, we start seeing pumps back up in the market. I'm going to go over that today. So this move down here, we saw a nice jump up. I think this was around, I was going to say like, oh my gosh, yeah, 58%. Yeah, I was going to say a little bit less than that, but 58% jump on that one was huge. We did see a jump here. There's been just a bunch of bearish sentiment pushing Dogecoin down here, and it hasn't got a lot of jumps, but the times that we do get down here at the bottom trend exhaustion, we do see pumps a little bit in the market. So I want to go over this. Actually, let me hit you guys with some news real quick. The U.S. Congressman declares investment in Dogecoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. Ugh. Okay, I know Bitcoin.com is probably one of the better news sources out there, but I just got to say, like, some of the, honestly, I feel like the manipulation of the news lately has been frustrating to watch. I'm watching things come out that were super, super bullish yesterday and the day before, and then it just crashes. Could it be the news playing against the retail traders? I'm not going to make any conclusions on that, but, you know, this article came out 10 hours ago. U.S. Congressman declares, like where people, retail traders are like, oh, the government, U.S. Congressman, they declare they're going to have an investment in Dogecoin and Cardano. And then you come down here and you read this and you're like, oh, he did this 10 hours ago. No, according to the filing, the congressman bought cryptocurrency 88 Dogecoin in May and June, like 2 months ago. But the article's coming out. Like, make your own conclusions. Let me know in the comments if you guys feel like the news has been manipulation lately of, you know, being really bullish just so the big institutions can come out and short the market and make a bunch of money. Like, let me know, because that's clearly what's going on as far as price structure. You know, let me hear in the comments. Go ahead. Give your rants if you guys want, if you think the news is manipulating this move at all. But I'm going to stick to the metrics because these metrics are holding true. Guys, come over to tradeconfident.io. I'm not hiding anything. It is $49 a month. Get these metrics on your side. Also, real quick, if you didn't see the last video I did, we've been winning trades like this whole time in this downward market. We just got a win of 19.36% on UNI before it crashed. You guys can look at the history there. We just did 20.10% on GRT. We got an exit before it crashed. We did 20.22% on ICP before it crashed and 15.14% on Bitcoin. All the wins, all the losses are here. I just called new trades for UNI. I just called new trades for GRT and ICP. So you guys can check that out. Okay, going over Doge. I'm going to show you guys reasons of why this dropped, and then also give you statistics of why I think the big guys are looking to buy right now after they've possibly manipulated and tanked this on everybody. All right, this is going to update at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So this is about 6 o'clock right now. So 2 hours. Make sure you check this because these metrics are going to update. This is what we were looking at the days prior to this crash. We saw a lot of greediness enter into the market up here, and even excited, and we barely ticked into greedy. I'm telling you guys, if you're watching the emotional index, when we start getting up in excited and greedy section, watch this, like greedy and greedy, a huge drop, excited, a huge drop. It's like, duh, like we're gonna drop. Like, I don't know if like you guys understand this, but I've worked with hedge funds in the past, like institutions, and I've been explaining to them, you need to understand the emotions of traders. When they're very excited, this is what they've been conditioned to do. When the price moves up, let me just use this on Ethereum real quick, because I hope this is like getting into your guys' brain as you're watching this channel. As the price moves up, here's what the average retail trader thinks, because I've worked with thousands of them. They think this, oh my gosh, it's gonna go to the moon without me. I'm going to be left behind. It's going to the moon. It's going to keep going. And they just push all their money in, and they're not. And you guys, you know, if I can say you guys, like, I'm not going to say you, but there's people, they're not looking at the actual metrics of how the market works. And the institutions play with your emotions. When you guys are excited and greedy, they're going to short the market. Like, that's how they make their money. When you're fearful and anxious, they're buying the market, okay? Like, get these indicators and metrics on your side. I'm telling you guys. All right, long versus short trade. If you guys are watching this and you've seen the past videos I've done, here's what I talk about. When price structure is going sideways and long trades are moving out of the market, there's nothing to keep the price up. Like nothing. You are going to head down, guaranteed, if price structure consolidates and you have all your long trades moving out of the market. Okay, they're all moving out right now, and even, short trades are increasing just a little bit while long trades are increasing. So this is, still a little bit of a bearish sign. But let me show you why there's hope in here for the price to move back up. And let me start here. I know I was calling this in the past, but watch this. When this metric comes out today, we could be moving into the anxious and fearful section for Dogecoin, which could be giving us a sentiment of we could be heading back up. Also, take a look at this long versus short trade risk. If you guys are going to be looking to take any trades, we are pushing down to the great long trade, good long trade and great long trade section. Some of you are watching this and you're like, okay, that's it. That's the metric I need right there. And then there you guys go. You can have it. It's all yours. Okay, well, institutional smart money is buying this dip like crazy, okay? If you guys are watching this, you can see that historically when these long trades are coming in and their sentiment is like, okay, we're dropping, and the huge spikes come in for long trades, that's when the price is skyrocketing back up. Well, look at the shorts in here. When short sentiment just spikes down, that's when we immediately, not a day later, literally hours after this comes out, it's just a straight drop. Hours after this huge spike came out, it's a straight jump right back up. Let's see what happens today if we can get another jump up here, because that will be a good sign that we could be seeing the market head back up in a positive direction. Okay, support and resistance prices. Here's how you read this. You need to look for this as far as where we can crash to and where we'll rebound. This is why I think 16 cents, and exactly, we're not going to guess here, it is 16.3. 0.163 is the exact structure low. Use this indicator to see your guys' entries for long trades and exits, okay? The resistance is incredibly strong at 25 cents, at 27, at 28, 29, and 30. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resistances to move up. If you're simply using this to watch how much barrier it is for the price to move up or down, it is very clear that it is not going up easily, okay? The drop is so easy. Once you break 22.5, it's a free fall to 16 cents. Okay, so when you guys see the title saying 16 cents, I'm not just pulling that out of thin air. These are true metrics you cannot manipulate with your emotions. Maybe you see some of the news do, possibly. All right. So the death cross is still active on Bitcoin as a whole. I know some of you guys in the comments are like, the death cross doesn't mean anything. I totally understand what you're saying, because it can be used in the news and manipulated. But I'm telling you guys, this is technically sound. When you have a 50 MA below a 200, this does signal a bear market. When you have 50 above 200, this does signal a life market, is what I call it, or basically, a bullish sentiment in the market. That's why I pull these metrics. So if you guys are watching this, Ethereum perfectly called the drop. If you're watching the long trades straight up come out of the market while consolidation is happening, you're going to call the drop, and you guys can short this, and you guys can make money on your short trades on any of these coins. Guys, come over here. I said, I'm not hiding anything. It's $49 a month. Get your membership, get access to all these metrics for all these top coins, and then I just called 3 more live trades that you guys can get into. So Dogecoin, let me get over to Dogecoin. We're not on Ethereum. A Dogecoin at the moment for the live trade I've been calling out here for a while. This is going to be managed. Let's just wait a second until this loads. Everybody on TradingView today. As this manages, we've already got triggered into this buy limit here. So I'm just going to be watching to see what happens. The nice thing about this trade is we still have another buy limit down here. So even if we crash, this will drop our entry drastically down, which will help us make a lot more money a lot faster, okay? So God bless you guys. Have a good one. But all the metrics are here. Get this in your toolbox for trading. They're calling the drops and they're calling the pumps, it's clear. So hopefully you guys you take this excitement. I'm just excited on the charts today, because I'm like, it's very fulfilling to help people make money. That's my goal on this channel, is to help people make money. And if you guys followed the metrics yesterday on Ethereum and you shorted Ethereum with 10x or 5x, you're up 50 to 100%. You could have doubled your portfolio with simply watching the metrics call the drop on Ethereum. And then these other coins are doing the same thing. And then we're winning 20+% trades on tradeconfident.io. So I'm just very excited today. So hopefully you guys understand all that. So the price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard, these indicators you can get on your TradingView account, and with a free TradingView account, by the way, up to 3 indicators. And these are in the description. Just click the link that says, I got to get a YouTube thing up here so I can show it to you guys. But it basically just says TradingView indicators. You guys can get those. But make sure you guys sign up over at tradeconfident.io today. Watch these metrics. They are calling the drops. They're calling the rises. Watch it every morning before you trade to help you guys make confident decisions in the market. All right, guys. God bless you guys. I'll see you in the next video. But here we go. Let's see if we can hit 16 cents. Not saying it's guaranteed, but that's what the metrics are showing if we start dropping down very fast. See you guys. Bye-bye.